Hello friend, my name is Noor Siddiqui. Today in this video I am going to tell you how to install Windows 7 operating system on virtual machine. Virtual machine is a software which provides the facility to install more than one operating system on a single physical computer so that we can set up a kinds of connectivity between physical machine and virtual operating system and do some necessary practical. We can also implement this system into production environment. As you can see, this is my desktop computer. I have installed Oracle VirtualBox Manager, which is a virtual software. This is a VirtualBox Manager on which I have installed two virtual machine. There are two operating system running here, Windows 7 and Windows Server 2008. We can install many operating system on this VirtualBox Manager. So I will tell you how to install operating system on this VirtualBox Manager. So for installing Windows 7 on this VirtualBox Manager, first of all we create a virtual machine. For creating virtual machine, click new button and name the virtual machine. Suppose I'm naming it Windows 7. Select the type of operating system you are going to install as a list of operating system supported by this VirtualBox Manager. Here is a Microsoft Windows, Linux, Solaris, BSD, IBM OS2, Mac OS, other. Because we will install Windows operating system, then we have to select Microsoft Windows. Version of operating system. If you install 64-bit, then select 64-bit. Otherwise, select 32-bit. There's a two version of operating system, 64-bit and 32 bits. Click next. This is a page of RAM, memory size, scale the size of memory. Suppose I am taking here 1679 MB, approximate more than 1 GB RAM. Because I have installed 16 GB 8 GB RAM on this physical machine, I'm giving more than 1 GB to this virtual machine. Click next. Select the hard disk space. Here's an option available for hard disk. Recommended size of the hard disk is 25 GB. It takes by default 25 GB space from hard disk. We can leave it on default. Create virtual hard disk now. Create. Select the file type. Leave it default. And here's the allocation of size, dynamically allocated or fixed size. Select dynamically allocated. It adjusts size automatically. It fill up. If space gets filled up, it automatically grows it up. If we select fixed size will not increase when it requires. I am selecting here dynamically allocated. Click next. Here is the size of hard disk 25 GB and file location size. So I am going to change the default location because I don't have any space on the C drive. By default it takes space from C drive. I'm going to change the location. Select D drive, click create. So one virtual machine created. For installing operating system on this virtual machine, we simply click and start. We can install operating system from DVD drive and pen drive, but better option is install operating system from ISO image. It happens quick because it happens quickly. So for installing OS, click here and start the virtual machine. It taking time because simultaneously more than 2 operating system running here. Browse the Windows 7 ISO image. Click the folder option. Here is a ISO image available. I have already copied the I have mapped this ISO from my physical machine. Click Windows 7 Power ISO image, open it and click on start button. It will automatically start and begin installing if all is going well. It takes time because it have a less RAM. Installation is going on. It will take time 10 to 15 minutes for installation. After that, this would be normal process as we install operating system on physical machine. It setup will run. We create partition and install operating system. That's it. So here this is a operating system I have already installed using same process, and it works like a physical machine. So for today that's that's over. If you like this video, don't forget to click subscribe button so that you can see more interesting video regarding the operating system, server. Till then, bye bye.